Welcome to this session. Today we are going to embark on a very powerful journey that will transform your self-esteem and public speaking abilities. For the next few moments, the only thing that you will focus on is the sound of my voice. That is the only thing you can hear, you want to hear, and everything else will fade away in the background. All you can focus on now is the sound of my voice. You will be in complete control, but all you can hear and all you want to hear is the sound of my voice. This session will be deeply emotional and impactful, so I encourage you to fully immerse yourself in the experience. Now, it's time for you to find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and out. Allow yourself to relax completely. With your eyes closed, continue to breathe deeply and slowly. As you inhale, feel the air passing through your nostrils and filling up your lungs. As you exhale, let go of any tension in the body. Inhale calmness. Exhale stress. Inhale confidence. Exhale doubt. Inhale calmness. Exhale stress. Inhale confidence. Exhale doubt. Inhale calmness. Exhale stress. Inhale confidence. Exhale doubt. Feel your body relaxed more and more with each breath. Now place your hand over your heart, feeling the warmth and connection to yourself. Imagine yourself traveling back in time to a moment in your past when you felt vulnerable, uncertain, full of doubt, threatened, full of fear. Picture yourself, your younger self, standing right in front of you. Perhaps feeling scared or inadequate. Approach this version of yourself with kindness, care, and love. Place your hand on their shoulder and look into their eyes. Tell them you are their future. Tell them that they are worthy, capable, and loved in the future. Share with them all the things you have achieved and the strength you have found. Let them know that everything will be all right and that they are destined for greatness. Now give your younger self a tight hug. Assure them that they have a wonderful, powerful future that awaits them, and it's time to say goodbye. Now take a moment to express gratitude for all the challenges and experiences that have shaped you into who you are today. Feel the gratitude in your heart for every lesson learned, every hurdle overcome. Allow yourself to forgive any past mistakes or regrets. Forgive yourself for any harsh judgments or doubts, for beating yourself down for no reason. Embrace yourself with compassion and understanding. Let yourself know that you are just human and it was fine to make all those mistakes in the past. Now I want you to visualize a future where you are standing on stage, confidently speaking to an engaged and inspired audience. See yourself standing tall, dressed in your favorite professional attire. Feel the texture of the microphone in your hand, the warmth of the stage lights on your face, Hear the sound of your voice, clear and powerful, resonating through the room while you tell the audience your story and inspiring them. The audience is captivated, their eyes fixated on you, nodding in agreement, smiling, and even applauding at key moments. Visualize the expressions on their faces. Some are moved to tears. Others are beaming with inspiration. Feel the connection between you and your audience, a powerful exchange of energy. You are sharing your message with compassion and authenticity, and they are receiving it with open hearts and minds. Now see yourself concluding your speech, the audience rising to their feet, giving you a standing ovation. Feel the rush of accomplishment and pride swelling you up. Imagine stepping off the stage, people coming up to you, shaking your hand, and expressing how much your words have moved them, impacted them. As you visualize this, I want you to focus on the neuron connections in your brain that have got formed. Picture them as tiny glowing lights. Each time you feel this confidence and success, see these lights becoming brighter and more connected. Imagine these neurons forming strong, intricate networks that support your confidence and public speaking skills. With each positive experience, these connections grow stronger, creating a powerful, permanent pathway in your brain. Feel this network expanding, making public speaking an effortless and enjoyable process for you. These neural connections are your foundation of strength, helping you to be a compelling and confident speaker. As you immerse yourself in this vision, choose a physical action that you can easily repeat, like pressing your thumb, index finger, and middle finger together. As you continue to experience this powerful future, press your thumb, index finger, and middle finger now. Let this action anchor the feeling of confidence, love, and strength in your body and mind. Each time you press your thumb, index finger, and middle finger together, this unshakable confidence will flow through you. Take a few more deep breaths. Feel the powerful emotions of gratitude, forgiveness, and confidence filling you up. Some people are moved to tears at this point. Allow any tears to flow freely, releasing any remaining doubts or fears. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders, replaced with a sense of empowerment and readiness to conquer any challenge. You have now connected with your past, expressed gratitude, forgiven yourself, and visualized a powerful future. Use this anchor and these emotions whenever you need a boost of confidence. Remember, you are worthy, capable, and destined for greatness.